We'll now go through how to program a primary infusion. From your home screen, you'll select channel A. Channel A is always your primary channel. Channel B is only used for secondary infusions. This opens up our drug library, and we'll use our alphanumeric keypad to type in the first couple letters of our medication that we're looking for, or our fluid, to figure out where it is in the drug library so that we can select it. So for your IV fluids such as normal saline, lactated ringers, anything that has no additives in it, it's just under the name of IV fluid. If you have anything that has something added to it, so say normal saline with 40 of KCl, you would choose IV fluid plus additive. So we'll go down to number 4. Number 4 has the letter I associated with it, and I'll push it 3 times to get to the letter I. I'll go down to number 8, that's where V is, and I'll find IV. And as you can see, IV fluid and IV fluid with additive has come up on the screen. I'd like to select just IV fluid, so I'll hit choose, and that will open up the rest of my programming screen. So I need to go in now and program the rest of my settings for my infusion. First thing is container volume. So that is however much fluid is in your bag. So you'll put the max volume in there. This would be 1 liter, for example. If you have a 250 bag, you would put 250, 500, 500, etc. So this is a liter. I'm going to put in 1,000. I'm then going to toggle down using my soft key. I'm going to enter my rate. So let's say my infusion for normal saline is ordered at 125. I'll then go down to volume to be infused. Now this is very important that we underprogram here, because this pump does not have an alarm that tells you when you're close to the infusion being completed. So we want to make sure that we underprogram by 10 to 20 mils, whatever your comfort level is, to make sure that you don't let your bag run dry and you give yourself adequate time to request a new bag from pharmacy if need be. So here I'll type in 980. And then I can see my duration automatically calculates. I'm ready to go. Everything's filled in, so I can see my message bar here tells me that I can press start to confirm. So I'm going to just review everything one more time, make sure that I've programmed what I want to. If I've made a mistake, all I have to do is scroll up or scroll down to be able to edit. I'm going to push start. After you have pressed start, you'll confirm your infusion one more time. If you're good with what it says and it matches your orders, you'll say yes to start your infusion. Or if you've made a mistake, you can press no over here and it will edit it. We'll say yes. And then from here, we can see that our infusion is pumping because our light is blinking, and under channel A status, it says pumping. The blinking light indicates that it is pumping. If I stop my infusion, I can see that the light goes solid, and that means that the infusion is not running. So either my pump is stopped and I need to go in and change my programming, or I may want to put it in standby and the indicator light will also be solid, indicating that, again, the pump is not running and it is stopped or in standby.